ebusian for aha Ghana SMTVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for me posti funny video bi ewo TikTok. Sa video no na meto o dia sempa na ba no 24 hour e come kwa 24 hour no pay 24 hour no light. Say ma muti me say me kasa na me sweat. Mo hwe free. Aba papa aba no. Na guy bi be posti comment dia picking my attention. Nah, guy no say, I have regretted not voting for NPP. Hey. Debut. Samu say aba papa aba. Ana. Nya aba papa biom. Nya aba papa. Ghana on. On my way on. On my way. Because me kai campaign na ye pa no. Me kai campaign na ye. You can blame me sometimes when I hear people blame communicators, say a communication team. Blame. See, what was available to us as communicators, we did our best in Canada. Me say I've walked on empty stomach to radio stations. Sometimes what me call radio station. We are NDC Nino never more lift. NDC Nino. Ebra na nkofo ewo party ne mo a na omu na scan wo mo nche ho a mo chili. Anka say piquant to be impo a bet make say o the voice say usu ma top piquant to we ama wo ye juma e di boa party no wo ko studio na also watch e di ko studio. But Debbie and it's gonna for less than 2 years. What regrets were to want to abama NPP. Now who ankasa na we jina ballot paper name. Na say we say uko to abama NDC. What was that thing that was pushing you to vote for NDC? What were you expecting after voting for NDC you will get as a citizen? And then you see NPP for every asker. Okay. Grant the same people for years can was Muhammad telling you so ba obeji as carefree on same edi amount. Obeji di. And how is that something you should base on and vote? So be a car, even as a private citizen, you can take the person to court. Yeah. You don't need to change a whole political party that is in power for that. And the problem is Bena Mahama and make it to more Mukoto Abamano. Kokobon kitingiti. Last time we video bi. Microphone mami ene papa omutimu kukudwa ko jina kamera nim. Aye hand over. Nkuko. Se konu yare o se den yo ntimi kire. He trap picture say a trade panisay. How did we get here? Debut, how did Ghana get to this point? So debut uka kana makuma ya. Because you cannot help but cry within you. Baby, Beba, 2028 is just in the corner. Let's keep working. Let's keep selling the good news according to a new patriotic party. it will make sense to Ghanaians at some point. You see this one that has come out to say, we are regretting. More and more are regretting. They will come back. They will make the right choice. That is why I am not stopping. We would not stop talking for the New Patriotic Party. We would not stop encouraging more amanone, more kwentuomo, and more my name munina. We are doing well. We will be back. Trust in the elephant. Believe in the elephant. Yeah.
When trying propaganda NDC for especially Samej and Fini John Jenapo, AYT Dr. Baumia for 3 solid years. Kontom points and some anymore, one more carton as with the good anymore as he saying in the chain aboso. For 3 solid years about multi-purpose that my year or Pwalugu and rape. Within 1 minute, Yankopon at the expose NDC for, or the go many more as what pen this for home to Mamma reacting in who said, NDC for Jenny Papa. NDC for 3 months, NDC for ye be different. NDC ni beti mi akumu sunsun akumu kra akumu ni pedia. NDC ni beti mi achechira asema to so a we wanu bia enye ye da. That is what they did to Dr. Baumia, but enno ape. Nyankopon yo mo so han. Enno a John Jenapo Energy Minister call Parliament Assurance Committee anim. An honorable editing bisa na say mu opposition na mo say Dr. Baumia ni NPP for abo Pwalugu multi-purpose dam project ni mu kro no. Ene mu abem mu hwehwe mu akwa akosisen. Mu evidence we hen. John Jenapo ba bibie na no a. Oso obi a mbokro no. Contractor ni ye adwuma na so NPP for antam sika bia ama no. Many video na kire oba before then. Tiem kwasya asem asame je fi omo opposition or kato Dr. Baumia so. That stupid boy. That thief sasame je fi kronfo na NDC former appointment within 2 months. No wasesa be 180 million Ghana cedis akugu ni CD account mu. No wasesa dollars, millions of dollars akugu ni dollar account mu. Na opese would change account name no call ni PAD that stupid guy, that corrupt guy, that crofo no same je mfi crofo no. Muntie nkwase asem a wo ka eto Dr. Baumia so. Ensem a enim krono a wo de to Dr. Baumia so ebra na mo opposition. Obra na woni evidence bia. Muntie no mu wi amon
today for the benefit of tomorrow is being wasted, is being stolen by a few select people in office. And that is the story, the sad story of the Pwalugu Dam. It shows how dishonest, hypocritical, duplicitous Alhaji Baumia is.
Ono sami jemfinu. Eze Dr. Baumia eye kronfo. All cancer and kwasase no ni evidence bi wo. But okay. Now, yentie John Jenapo concession will make you assurance committee in anywhere about this same project, this same issue.
The Pwalugu dam contractor was paid $11.9 million. Have you, it may not directly have fallen under your ministry in the previous government, but because of the electricity generation component, I believe you have an interest, and so you will have followed it. Have you done audit to see whether the contractor was paid for work done, or that you believe that he bolted away, as you put it?
So far, our preliminary investigation shows that the contractor was not paid for the work done.
So this brief statement, John Jenapo make here, I kill 2 fundamental propaganda. NDC for no more yet Dr. Baumia, any NPP, a no more opposition. Near the kind. NDC for no more say, Pwalugu multi-purpose dam, edwuma bia nkoso. Na na edede na NPP for ye dede na Dr. Baumia ye project no na exist only on paper na akọ ground so na edwuma bia nkoso contractor na anya edwuma bia na etoso mienu na omo se contractor na anya hwe na nso NPP for ya sese sika twitwiri de edi ama no ye ne na konaive abogana kro no ndi omo be ti Dr. Baumia omo be ti NPP for agu but na wutie John Jenapo a na edi kan o say edwuma koso pa, there was work done, contractor ni ye edwuma. Ne etosu yenu o se contractor na edwuma o ye nyina achiri NPP kra ama no wan sidimpo. NPP ama ne sika bia. Enti sa am tru anu mu twa se Pwalugu dam no edwuma bia nkoso wo ho no. Contractor na anya edwuma bia na so ya tam sika twitwiri dia ama no. ene John na pon nankasa ba be expose yo mo hey NDC me hwe how Dr. Baomia na ni ku project we hu na oye say a bit aboa the people up north, the northern part of Ghana, to invest a lot of time ni energy cracking his brain epe omo mo betimi afund the project and almost share now along the line COVID by there was a global economic crisis in the affected one more funded projects and now if you are more to now we share how our Dr. Baomia committee a lot of energy trying to secure other funding to make sure the project never cost. Na NDC free enam touchline ye propaganda e twan talk cancer hu e dinner tamo twe na bo so bo no kro no chese as if you mu ene omanya power ye bu so ma now no omo kan kore same janfi onu juma e dey ba bi di no kro no obo good board no he may think say he's gone scot free but certain things are enyamba abonte but I can assure him say very soon he will run. Very soon, Samija.
Abusua me de me wo 21 day fasting and prayer samasha ase ne Sunday. Nti video bi say ne mamu fama me. Ye ti krom ha na papa we. Obeka kire say ya waso aba na omo koto ne na anu ade. Baba jama amode. De besi biara under no circumstances. Na baba jama ebe we ne sa primary no. No kunani ne benwene omtu wie kosi sen baba jama reni ye ma election no krasia reni ne wo ye MP na baba jama kan say ye to na bani wia ene ye behu say papa wo ye osi we wo kan kra na wo ye toro ye to wie ne hu so ye toro enye no nko ye be kwa akwatia wo si NPP ne benwene wo hwe ya ye to aba na NPP strongholds ne ye nipa ma no em turn out ne ye low na quickly ofa ho be kan say NDC benwene nti ono ye chacha no woto. And this is not the first time NDC for employing Professor Mumeye we. Yet and a professor jump pose when he see or your lecturer one do negotiate then would that bind a teacher for them. A bind can't say we bet to a more percentage 25 was a shot. It's so until a monk strike. NDC a bind by an umberman appointment. Umberman appointment and I kept you a chrono to 10% or see a year a dawson. Because abina be hu wo nti NDC for employ crofo mo di nkwase asem we di mo na Ghana fo ani ati nim nyansa nti nye we num no mo ye o manim tebe be sisi go be kasa no na ni peti o da bi ye nim mo ye nim NDC fo mo kasa hweso reform we wo pa appointment ni bi ade na ye tua ni kasa bem so mfanye sa de no o matua ni ka kukuru sika sa adwuma we na ye lodina wo hyehye wo no na ye sa adwuma we nti me ka kire mu we no wo nim nyansa bia omunyemo omuye nyine say to ate obi ahu wo ntimo da amona because this is Jimmy for and akwa we kaso we find serious chacha ye kaso obi to chacha pa enu onu no aye na ni twetwe sa atwere no abesu wo no to chacha